In this video, I will show you how to add location to photos and videos on iPhone. It's quick and easy to manually add location details to each photo or video. First open Photos app on your iPhone. Now open a photo to which you want to add location information. Now tap eye icon at the bottom and tap Add a location. Now enter the location in the search box and select one of the suggested map locations. After completing these steps, location details will be added to your photo. You can tap on the location to view your photo on the map. Now, if you want to add location information to multiple photos at once, then tap Select button at the top right corner. Now choose multiple photos to which you want to add location details. Next, tap three-dot menu icon at the bottom right and from the options, tap Adjust Location. Now enter the location in the text box and select one of the location from the available results. So that is how you can add location to photos and video on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.